How to add friends in Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is to go here to your Monopoly application and then just wait for it to load. Now here, it will look like this, and then on the bottom part, you'll see friends. Click on friends here. Now, the very first option here, it says add friends. So here you will see all the requests there. Now, if you wish to confirm that, just tap on accept on the right side. And then there are suggested here. And then you can tap on add if you wish to add them. Now, the other way is to tap on your contacts and tap on add contacts and just choose your number there. So the other way is to tap on invite here, where you can send an invite link via Facebook or via link. You can send it to Messenger, or you can even airdrop it to your iMessage, to your mail. Basically, just go through that to your email, to your Canva, to your Facebook, and you can tap on copy. And now you have now copied the link. All you have to do is to choose the person that you want to invite. So let's say this person. All you have to do is to tap on long press and tap on paste. Basically, if you will send that link and they will click on that, they will now be invited to play Monopoly Go and basically download the Monopoly Go. And basically that's it. And that is how you add friends in Monopoly Go. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.